morning students, how are you all? As you all know students that we are doing letter writing, and in the previous classes we have done regarding the editorial letters and even the complaint letters, and we have write the stepwise how to write the salutation, how to proceed in that, and today we will do the placing order. Okay, and in this beta, firstly there is converted into 3 steps. Firstly, you have to, in the first steps, you have to mention about the firm from where you are taking the items or the products. Okay, in the second one you have to make a table. According to that, you have to mention according to the serial numbers, then after that what are the items, and then after that again you have to make a column that is regarding that which brand are you talking about, then the quantity, like how many in numbers you needed, and in the last content what you were going to do, you will ask about when you want your products, and the second thing is the way in which you are going to give the payment and how the delivery would be, and about the discount regarding any firms giving the discount especially to the schools, institutes and all. Okay beta, and here is the format how to write it. Okay, firstly you must remind all the things that like these letters are written when individual or an organization place an order. Okay beta, like whether it can be an individual or it can be an organization. Okay, like for example, if an organization regarding if there is a school or institute, if they are placing order, or if any individual can also place an order. Firstly, what all things you must remind is that how many numbers and which type of, when the date of delivery, that means when you want the products back, and the payment mode, that how much you are going to give it in an advance, and what could going to be the condition. Okay, which type, in which mode you are going to give the payment. For example, we just write in letter with it as an example. You are Rohit Ritu, hostel warden, Zenith Public School, Chennai. Write a letter to the sales manager, Bharat Electronics and Appliances Limited, Chennai. Place an order for a few fans, microwave, ovens and geysers that would wish to purchase for the hostel. Also ask for the discount permission. Here also students, I told you na, that how you are going to tell the discount permission in the conditions and in the payment mode. Here we will start, as you all know that it's written that you are. So that means it's mentioned that you are from Zenith Public School, Chennai. Here you will going to mention the date, and whenever you are writing to any person where you are going to want the product from them, firstly you have to write the sales manager, Bharat Electronic, it's already given in our question. Then in subject you will write placing order for electronic items. Okay students, let's proceed according to the 3 terminals. That is, earlier beta you have done, it's like I the librarian of, yeah, I am the warden of, wanted to place an order. But now you are a grown up one. Your writing skills and even your vocab must show that you are a grown one and you are in 11th and 12th standard. So I try to put up the valuable words over here. And you can start like, thank you for your prompt reply, that means earlier reply of our previous letter of inquiry dated on 10th April. It must be from the previous one which you have already written over here. With reference number, here this is very important whenever you are placing an order, that is the reference number. A panel of our firm has studies your brochure. That means in schools when many types of brochures the school used to get, and whichever is satisfying you, you will put an order for the same. Okay students, now we have completed the first terminals. Now let's move to the second one, that is a box form. Firstly you have to write the serial number, then items, then brand and the quantity, and you have to mention regardingly whatever things, whether it is regarding the librarian, whether it is regarding that you are the coach of the school. For that, whatever things to be mentioned over here, you will write in the form of a box. Let's move to the third part. Please ensure that the delivery is made by. Here you have to write the prominent date when you want it. And all the items are packed well. We also wish to avail the, that means they wanted a 15% discount offered to the schools and hostels. You know, this is a specified for the educational institutes. Okay. and please find enclosed a bank draft of 5,000 and advance payment, and after that you can just write out the draft number, and after that yours sincerely enclose, that means what earlier payment you have done. This is how to write a letter regarding the letter for placing orders. Thank you.